Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and select the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. Click on Advanced, and here we've got the backup option, so simply tap on it. As you can see, it is on, but if you've got it off, just like that, simply tap on the switcher right here, and now we are able to back up to Google Drive. Of course, you need an account, a Google account, so simply tap here. And as you can see, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, after that, click on Next. And here you have to enter your password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and after that, simply tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want, you can of course read them. Simply tap on it, and here you are with all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got info about backup and storage, so accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, we just added the backup account, and from now on, all the content will be back up to Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup on your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.